Mastering Nouns, the adventure of proper and common nouns. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English Grammar Fundamentals series. In this video, we're going to explore the captivating world of nouns. More specifically, we'll delve into proper and common nouns. By the end of this video, you'll be a master at identifying and using these types of nouns correctly. Nouns, in simple terms, are words that represent people, places, things, or ideas. There are several types of nouns, but today we're focusing on proper and common nouns. Understanding these will significantly boost your English writing skills. Let's delve deeper into what proper and common nouns are. Common nouns refer to general, non-specific categories of entities. For instance, city, dog, book, are all common nouns. On the other hand, proper nouns are used for specific individuals, places, or things. They are always capitalized, for example, New York, Fido, or War and Peace. Now that we understand the difference between proper and common nouns, let's get into some interactive exercises. This practice will help you grasp how to use these nouns effectively. Activity 1. Spot the nouns. Write down a paragraph about your day. Now go back and underline all the common nouns in blue, and proper nouns in red. This activity will help you get a feel of how often you use each type of noun. Activity 2. Swap the nouns. Choose a paragraph from any book, and try to swap the common nouns with proper nouns, and vice versa. Be creative. This will challenge your ability to use and identify both types of nouns. Activity 3. Story time. Write a short story incorporating a set of given proper and common nouns. We'll give you 5 of each. Here they are. Proper nouns: Alice, McDonald's, Jupiter, Shakespeare, Christmas. Common nouns: cat, restaurant, planet, writer, holiday. Let your imagination run wild. Assess yourself using these activities, and review the instances where you've had difficulties. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you engage with these types of exercises, the more natural it will become to use proper and common nouns correctly. And that's it for today's lesson on proper and common nouns. We hope you found these exercises helpful and fun. Keep practicing, and you'll be a master of nouns in no time. Thanks for joining us on this grammar journey, and we'll see you in our next lesson. Happy writing!